start off by thanking Drs. Burley and Latime for organizing this year's Joint Institute for Quantitative Biomedicine and Cancer Institute of New Jersey crash course, the title of which is Applying Genomics, Proteomics Technologies to Problems in Oncology. And I think this is an incredibly timely crash course to be giving. At the Cancer Institute, we're truly witnessing a revolution in cancer diagnosis and treatment. And this is being driven by a number of factors. Technologies are rapidly advancing, allowing molecular characterization of cancer, leading to better classifications and precise tumor targeting. This is happening at an unprecedented speed now. This has been seen primarily in genomic sequencing technology of tissue samples, allowing for rapid clinical grade tumor sequencing that are now routinely used by groups like our precision medicine program. However, that's only part of the picture. Analysis of protein expression and phosphorylation can dramatically complement genomic analysis and ultimately help both interpret sequencing results. Genomic alterations may actually be drivers, and proteomics may help us see the results of those driver mutations. And this may lead to the identification of potentially new therapeutic targets. Also, standard protein analysis in tumor samples, such as immunohistochemistry, has problems with signal to noise ratio. And as many of you know that do IHC routinely, very subject to conditions in individual antibodies that are being used. Newer technologies such as mass spectrometry, reverse phase protein arrays are being developed to allow both quantitative and qualitative analysis and reproducible measurements of protein levels and protein modifications, such as phosphorylation in clinical samples. And these proteomic approaches combined with dynamic analysis of tumor genomics, circulating tumor DNA, et cetera, may lead us to a new understanding of tumor biology and allow us to better refine the precision medicine treatments that we are making available to our patients. This will also allow us to monitor tumor evolution and tumor recurrence. So this crash course will introduce you to cutting-edge proteomics technologies, provide you with a roadmap to using the biological mass spectrometry core facility here at Rutgers, and showcase some of the work going on here at the Cancer Institute. Dr. Burley will now introduce our first set of speakers who are visiting us today virtually from George Mason University. They happen to be two longtime friends and collaborators of mine, and I'm extraordinarily pleased that they'll be joining us for this crash course, and also very excited about the collaborations that we have between Rutgers and George Mason now. So Steve, I'll let you do the honors.